But for now, I'll just go, you know, just be off. Well, wish I could be off, but you know, I've been sitting here for like over 4 minutes now. Yeah.
Hello Jubilee Line, how's your day? You're ruining mine. I thought you were a newer design. A couple stops back, you were just fine. So fix up if you wouldn't mind. I mean if you wouldn't mind. There's a party and my friends wanna go. They all know I'm never involved. They all think I'm negative though. But if I come you'd wish you left me at home. I'm cool, I just can't take people that shout. Like what you screaming about? You're holding hands, do you need to be loud? See this is why I hate leaving the house. I'm on the train now and this is what I'm talking about. This old man snoring of course. And now I bet he's dreaming of a mortgage, no doubt. Or talking to his ex-wife, sorting things out. Either way I'll leave him to sleep. Got places to go, but it's people I see. Look, I wouldn't be feeling as low. But bill collectors, they won't leave me alone. They wanna feed, that ain't feasible though. Can't you see that I'm broke? It's hard to breathe cause my bank account's revolting. We need to revolt. I hate the government, I needed to vote. But that's the least of my woes. I'm overworked and underpaid. Recently it's been worse and I'm afraid I might go berserk and run away with this girl on the Jubilee line. I'm feeling like we're two of a kind. I was looking into your eyes and you were in mine. I ain't the intuitive kind, so speak up if you wouldn't mind. I mean if you wouldn't mind.
Good morning, grey sky. Good morning, says I. Should yawning mean my day's boring? Could falling in line make clear my calling in time? Is my portion supposed to be awesome? Or should I just settle for sort of sublime? It seems I'm caught in the limelight when all I want is to be courting a wife, right? Nah man, I'm too young to marry, too much to do still, and too old to hang out with Tom, Dick or Harry. I got sick of the toxic spew coming from the mouth of every hot chick I got into. So I've started answering to Todd, Jack or Larry. And now I don't go out so much, I stay home. You could say I'm out of touch. And when my friends say, have you heard that new album? The one by such and such. I'm like, who? Now who are you? Well, I haven't had friends for months. I mean, I do have friends. They just forgot my name and never come to the ends. See, they don't like the train or the trek. So now I sit alone and pretend that I ever get the Jubilee line. See, I don't see her much of the time. Tend to favour Victoria's vibe, as if I go out, I usually decline. I'll stay home.